Hello, I'm in a 2010 Jeep Liberty, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first you want to start the vehicle. And while this all loads for a moment, you want to make sure your phone's on with your Bluetooth activated, which is that blue. And if you press and hold it, usually it'll open your Bluetooth menu options as well. Alright, so now that we're there, we're going to follow a lot of voice prompts to connect to the Uconnect system. So we'll push this phone button and then just walk through the phone settings as it says.
Uconnect ready. Available options are call, dial, phone book, redial, emergency, towing assistance, Uconnect setup or tutorial.
Uconnect setup.
Select one of the following: phone pairing, confirmation prompts, select phone, language, emergency, towing assistance, or voice training.
Phone pairing.
Do you want to pair a phone, delete a phone, or list paired phones?
Pair a phone.
Please say a 4-digit PIN number.
1234.
PIN code 1234. Is this correct?
Yes.
Please say the name of the phone after the beep.
Clay.
Adding.
Clay.
Is this correct?
Correct.
Misrecognition.
Correct.
Misrecognition.
Yes.
Assign a priority level between 1 and 7. 1 is the highest priority.
1. Clay.
Set to priority 1. Is this correct?
Yes.
Start pairing procedure on phone. See phone's manual for instructions.
So it's probably going to be this one here once it loads. And you always want to talk after that last little beep, or else it won't register what you're saying correctly. So it's pairing now. And then that pin I just made up, the 1, 2, 3, 4. It could be
Pairing
whatever.
complete.
So now it's connected. So now you can take phone calls, things like that. A lot of times you can play music. But yep, that's it. Sometimes it takes a few tries, and there's a max number of phones you can have saved in there, so you might have to delete a phone first before you can add one. Some various models of cars you have to be parked in order to connect to new phones as well, so you might have to park the vehicle first. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.